The only reason why I'm doing this now is because the warranty's run out, so I'm not going to avoid any warranty. Some of you guys have been wanting to know about how to change your memory. Well, not many laptops come with an easy accessible screws with no protection on them, so they just simply come off. And these screws come out so easily, which is quite interesting. They're usually a bit tougher, but these are just so easy to unscrew. Now the battery, that comes off by unlocking that, and then this one pushes it open. There's another screw there. Now when you do this, make sure you've shut down Windows or set it to hibernate. Put the screws somewhere safe. I'm putting them on the corner of my little table. Let's continue this. Okay, these rubber feet, you need to lift them up and get to the little screw inside. There's 4 of them in total. If you have a little container, you could keep them separate if you want to make sure you put the same ones in where the feet were as compared to the laptop, but they all seem to be the same size. That's all 8, 9 screws. If you have a DVD ROM drive, you'll have another screw in order to take that out. Okay, turn that over. So you need to get either a tool like this. Some people use a credit card of some description, phone card. And then you run along. You can hear it's freeing itself up. Right, so it's freed up, yeah, it's all loose on the side. Turn that over again. There we go. Voila. So these memory modules look quite big. I've just been looking at getting the replacements to upgrade. There's 2 slots, so this one's used and this slot is free, and then you would basically get another one of these. Now this is a 4 gigabyte module. You can put another 4 gigabyte here. That would make it 8, which is double the memory. 8 is pretty sufficient for a laptop. If you've got an 8, then it would be 8 and 4, which would make 12. You can have different amounts. You would probably try and put your bigger memory into the first slot, so it get access to use first. Or you can take them both out and put 2 16s in. Now the manual says 16 gig, but HP have written that because it's DDR4, you can put up to 32 in this. So you might want to double check with your manual, but having 8 in each, 16 gig for a laptop is pretty good. If you want to change the hard drive, then that would basically be unscrewing these screws here, that screw here, and another screw there. So there's 3 screws, and then you can pull out this little connector from the using something like this or whatever. There might even be a clip, but these are pretty easy to pull out. So if you want to change the hard drive to an SSD, etc., this hard drive here, they're pretty naff spec really for laptops. The spin speed and things. Some people want to increase the speed, so an SSD, yeah, you'll have a lot more faster write speed. It depends on how much data space you want, but a lot of people use external drives. This is possibly could be put into an external bay. It depends how generic it is. With this little motherboard on it, if that can't be disconnected, then that would cause problems. Anyway, that's how to do it.